Hi friends, it's Salma from Contentful. If you'd like to build your own Thing of the Day microblog with Contentful, follow this quick setup guide to get you started in minutes. Let's go. Step 1. Get the code. Fork the repo to your GitHub account and clone it to your local machine using Git or the GitHub CLI. I really like using the GitHub CLI. Step 2. Get Contentful. Sign up for free at contentful.com/signup and create a new space. Step 3. Get your credentials. Go to Settings, General Settings, and make a note of the space ID. Then go to Settings, API Keys, and generate an access token for the Content Delivery API. Add your space ID and access token to credentials.js. Step 4. Install the Contentful CLI. Do this using Homebrew, npm, or Yarn. Step 5. Authenticate with the CLI. Run Contentful login in your terminal and follow the instructions in your browser. Step 6. Import the content model and example post. Run the import command in the setup directory, refresh Contentful in your browser, and you'll find the content model and example post has been imported into your space. Step 7. Run the application. To serve the JS module to the browser, you'll need to serve the files over a local HTTP server. I'm using the npm package HTTP server. Start your server and visit the generated URL in your browser, and you're done. If you want to find out more about Contentful, you can head on over to our developer portal at contentful.com/developers. You can check out our documentation, you can join our community Slack, and check out all of our blog posts for developers as well. Have fun with Contentful, and remember, build stuff, learn things, and love what you do.